welcome to another video. Today we are taking you with us to Bunnings. So let's go, guys. Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are at Bunnings. And we are going to get not flowers this time, but what's the name of the thing that you're going to get, Tony? Silicone to use on the kitchen tiling. So, hello. I'm good. Yes, so I am just here. Just showing you some things. I'm gonna try to catch up with Tony. He's far ahead of me because I'm doing videos, guys. So as usual, I'm always at the back most time. And when he's doing it, I'm at the front, he's at the back. Ooh. So I'll paint in this section. Oh, see some silicone here in this section here. So guys, this is the section with all the silicone. So Tony is looking for the one that he wants. Liquid nails. I don't own the rights to that music. So guys, in this section you have sugar soap. It's good for surface. So Tony's in his working clothes, guys. That's a tradie clothes. I'm telling them that your clothes is a tradie clothes. Yeah. So guys, the tiles that we are using are these ones. So guys, I've asked somebody that's working here to go and look to see if they see the tiles that we are looking for to buy some more. So
it's not sure what they're called. Do you know what the name of them are? Okay, go ahead.
So guys, Tony's gone to get his phone. So guys, we are not doing any great fixing to the kitchen because soon we'll sell that house.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna have to go to another Bunnings in Windsor Garden to pick up the tiles because I don't have them here today. So we are just gonna go out and catch the silicones.
And you'll see it's a big open area where you walk into. Oh, you'll see it as soon as you go out here.
Won't go today. Won't go Saturday.
Saturday? Okay. Saturday. Look if Saturday going to be too hot.
No,
and if
Saturday's right.
okay. So guys, we are coming out of Bunnings now, so we are going to go to another Bunnings to see if we get the tile. Guys, let's keep it rolling. Guys, we are now heading to Bunnings at Windsor Garden. We're on the highway. So when we get close, I will do more videos.
Pine trees.
So guys,
And we'll build that road over there.
we
That bridge.
are passing, what's the name of here?
Chain of ponds.
Chain of Ponds.
It's a reservoir that holds the water for Adelaide. Or some of that. Some of the
We're
water.
still not there yet, guys. Guys, we are at Bunnings. We are gonna look parking. On our way, guys, a bird flew on Tony's vehicle.
It's not funny, Michelle. I'm not long washed the windscreen.
Look
I'm
like
quite-
the bird has
I'm
struck
quite annoyed
some
to-
blueberries to eat. It's as blue as blueberry. Oh God. So guys, we are trying to get a park. Well, Tony spot one. Guys, we are going to use the lift to go upstairs. Tony, I think we need a trolley. Maybe trolley upstairs. Yeah, maybe we can get a trolley upstairs. Guys, we are up and we are going in. So guys, this Bunnings is different from the one that we went to this morning. As you can see, it's a bigger one. So we are gonna go and get the tiles now. Oh yeah. So guys, we are going down. This section to grab the tiles because they have limited amount.
Be on the other side.
Yeah. Let's go down this aisle. So guys, I'm gonna just cut the video until we go down where the tiles are. Guys, we are gonna have to look for someone to tell us where the tiles are because this is a much more bigger Bunnings than the one close to home. And as I said before, this is the only one they have the tiles in. So guys, the tiles are upstairs, so we're gonna have to go upstairs, guys. So we are going upstairs. Guys, we are upstairs, and as you can see, they have a whole variety of things up here. All kind of fans. But let's go for the main thing that we are here for. Guys, these are the spinning mops. They are so good. I think I'm heading towards this side to see if I can find the tiles, but they say they have them in stock only here. Oh yes. Oh yes. Hmm? Maybe about 12 more. You guys, look at all the designs here. This is nice. How much that? How much that? We get the tiles that we needed to finish up the kitchen. So we are leaving because we have to go to Aldi, pick up some stuff. I'm gonna do some zucchini, so you can check out my next channel, guys, which is Michibu, that does the cooking. So we are going back downstairs, guys. So if you watch Michibu, guys, you will see the finish of the kitchen on that channel, because I do cooking. We had put on some temporary things on that kitchen, so we just rip them off and putting up the tiles. As we are heading to the cashier, this is where this video come to an end, guys. So guys, see you in the next video. Have a great weekend, guys.